Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. This tutorial, we're gonna show you how to do a complete clean and format of your Windows 10 operating system. It's pretty straightforward. Let's just get right into it. So let's say your computer is kind of acting slow, you backed up all your files, and basically you're ready to clean it and just start over. I'm going to walk you through each step to basically reinstall your Windows. It's very important that you back up all of your files before you proceed with this tutorial, because we're going to do a complete clean. We're going to wipe out everything and have you starting fresh. Go to the start menu. All right, first thing we're going to do is go to the start menu and type in reset. And it's going to take us to a menu that says reset this PC. We're going to click on that. So we're going to decide if we want to keep or remove all our files. Click get started. We can choose from keeping your personal files or remove everything. We're going to select remove everything. This tutorial could take 30 minutes to an hour once everything really runs. We could just remove our files, or we can remove files and clean the drive. That'll take about several hours, but nobody can recover your files if you want to be safe for security. But we're gonna just do the normal, just remove my files. All right, we're gonna click that. This will take a while, so we're gonna wait on that and be patient. Click reset and let the process get started. Okay, we're 24% in. Now Windows is getting ready. Don't turn off your PC, it's still loading. Keep in mind, you're going through this tutorial while actually doing it yourself. Okay, Windows should be preparing to load up at this stage. We're still in the install process. Okay, now it's officially installing Windows. We're at 44%. All right, we're almost at the finish line. Okay, so we're inside of the Windows setup now. So we're just gonna enter in all the logical information that's corresponding to you. This is just basic information you should be able to figure out yourself. Press next. Just put in all that information. Press accept. And this is just to quickly get started, so use the express settings, or you can customize and you can select specific stuff that you want that's important to you. So just go ahead and read through that stuff and decide if you want to do any of that. That's really a personal option or choice. All right, so Windows is now loading up, and just let it finish its final process. It's doing critical updates to get you in the system. All right, the next section is going to get you into Windows when you're logging in. We're almost at the finish line. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can sign in, or you can create a new account, or you can skip this step altogether. So you can just skip that. And we're going to create a local account. This is just our initial sign-in account. So if you're an admin, you would put your name, you'll create your initial password, and then that way when you log in, you'll have a user. Press next. And just give it a second to do its thing. At this point, it's logging into Windows. It's doing its final automatic stuff to set up your account. You're pretty much home free. Just take your time to go through this video step by step. Pull out your cell phone and have it playing while you do this on your computer, and you're pretty much all set. This is the last one. If you want to go ahead and connect your internet, you just do that. You could do updates if you want, but yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. I hope this helps. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.